March 20th is a special day that is celebrated around the world as the International Day of Happiness. It is a day to recognize and appreciate the importance of happiness in our lives. This day was established by the United Nations in 2012 to recognize the importance of happiness and its impact on people's lives. The focus of this day is to encourage individuals, communities, and governments to take action to create a happier and more peaceful world. This day is celebrated through activities that promote joy, peace, and well-being. These activities can range from simply taking a moment to reflect on what brings us joy to organizing community events that bring people together to celebrate happiness. It is important to take time to appreciate the things that bring us joy and to recognize that happiness is a universal right. On this day, let us all work together to create a world where everyone has access to the resources they need to live a life of joy and contentment.